Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about how to make roof by extrusion. So let me first of all open Revit Architecture. So these are the various 3D views of the roofs which I made by roof by footprint. So now let me make today roof by extrusion, and for that let me go to first level 1, and in the level 1 I have created various roofs. So let me delete all the roofs which I have created. Again, let me delete all those roofs which are created in level 1 as well as level 2. So nothing is now present here. So now let me make walls. So let me create one house in a very different manner. Okay, and similarly let me create one. Okay, but before creating this, let me delete first. Let me delete this first one. So now let me create roof on this one by extrusion. So click on roof by extrusion. So in the specify a new work plane, so here it will show only none. So you have to simply click on pick a plane, click on OK, then click in this plane, or either in this plane or in this plane, any of the plane you can click it here. I will click on this plane. Now they will ask for the elevation, go to the north south. I will click on north elevation and open view, and you have to now simply go to the level 2 and offset 0 0, because in the level 2 I will click. Now you can go to this start end, and you can simply zoom it and click roof by extrusion. Suppose I'll click it here, then I'll click here, then I'll click it here, then again let me click it here, then click it here, then click it here. Yeah, this is the roof which I have created. Now click on yes. Cannot make extrusion. Cancel it. Click on yes, cannot make extrusion, then delete the element. Simply do one thing, click on roof by extrusion, pick a plane, go to the level 1, click it here, open view, OK. Now click on extrusion, click it here. So this is the roof which I have created. After that you need to go to the 3D view. So this is the roof which I have created, as you can see here. Now click on this roof and extend it on both the sides. Yeah, after extending on both the sides, now again click on the mouse wheel button and press on the shift button. You have to click on two buttons, one is the mouse wheel button and one is the shift button together. After clicking you can move, you can scroll. After scrolling you can see here, this is the roof which I have created. Now click on this wall and click attach. After clicking on this wall, press SA button. After clicking SA button, it will select all the walls of same dimension. Now attach top base, then click it here. See, now you can see how the house has been created in a different manner, in a very stylish manner. The house is being created, and this is the roof by extrusion. Similarly, again go to level 1. Now create another one wall. Okay, after that, now I will click the escape button. So this is now the plan which is created. Now again go to roof by extrusion. Now pick a plan. Okay, I have created clicked on this plan. Click on open and click OK. Go to the 3D view. So it's showing both the house, so it's better to delete the first figure. So for that, click on this button and I'll delete the first figure. Now I'll delete the previous one, delete this one by simply selecting and pressing the delete button. Now again go to the level 2 and I will delete those roof. After that, nothing is present, only this figure is present. Now I'll again go to level 1, select on roof by extrusion, pick a plan. I'll select this plan, north elevation, open. Okay, so from here to here I'll create a roof. This is how I have created. Now click yes. So now again go to the 3D figure. So this is what it is created. So I hope you have seen such kind of structure, especially in the various kind of stadium, indoor stadium. They will be creating this type of roof. So now like again press on SA. After clicking on one wall, then attach top and base and click it here. Okay. Unjoin the elements. So better. So as this one is the circular portion, so I'll delete this circular portion. I will click it here and I'll go to edit plane. Go to the level 2, level 1, north, and I'll edit this one. Let me delete it from here. Now let me create in this manner. Okay, now create it. After that, again go to the go to the 3D view. After going to the 3D view, now click on SA. Now attached. See, now they will attach all the walls. So as you can see here, this is how we can create roof by extrusion. Okay, and remember that in the similar manner we can even cut some portions. That one also I will show you. Now let me again this is what I have created. Now let me make another roof. Go to level 2. Now let me go to level 2, delete it. Now let me go to the level 1 and delete it. Now nothing is present. Now suppose again let me create walls by rectangle. Suppose this is what I have created. Press escape button. Now you need to go to architecture, tap roof by extrusion, and before creating roof by extrusion you have to click it in the reference plane. Suppose I will create two reference plane. This is one reference plane. Click it for the name reference 1 south. Press enter. I'll press another reference. If suppose this is the reference 2, click in the name reference to north. Click enter. Now I will go to roof by extrusion, and here I can click on name and I can see there are the two reference plane, reference 1 and reference 2. Reference 2 I can select, or I can select reference 1. After that go to north, open view, and now in the similar manner I can create the roof. This is how I have created. Now again I can go to the 3D view. This is how we can create. Click on wall, press SA, attach top base, click it here. This is how we can create. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to create by reference plane. Now again delete this structure and create another one. Now let me delete everything. Now let's go to the level 1. Even let me delete the reference plane. Now go to the level 1, create wall. Now after that click on roof by extrusion, click it here, pick a plane, click it here, north, okay. Click it here. After that go to the 3D view. Now click it here, click on any of the wall and press SA and attach rooftop. Okay, as you can see here, this one is I have to increase each length. Yeah, now it will get attached. See, this is how I have created one house. Now suppose I have to delete this all, and for that what I need to do is I have to simply go to the level 1, and after going to the level wall in the 3D view, and in the 3D view I have to go to the wireframe model. Now I can delete. Suppose I will create roof level 2. Now let me click it here and remove define slope. You can click here, then I can even click it here Okay, these are the two portions. Now click yes, continue. Okay, okay, so let me delete one footprint. So now let me click it here. So now let me go to the 3D view and realistic view. So this is what I can create in this manner, different kind of roofs. Okay, or else I can do one thing, I can delete this wall, and again I can, if you want to, suppose if you want to intersect this portion, then I will show you in what manner you can do it. Now for that what you have to do is you have to select in this roof. After selecting the roof, as I need to intersect these extra portions, I will click on vertical. So as you can see here, this one is for vertical cutting, so I will click it here and I will go to the level 1. After going to the level 1, this one is the reference line of the roof where it has been created. So now I can cut the extra portions by either by using this one or by this one. Suppose I will be cutting this portion, and for that suppose I will cut from here, then here, then here, then in this manner I will cut it, the extra portion. So let me trim this portion. Now I will cut this portion. Now click on yes. After that you can go to the 3D view. See, as you have trimmed off this portion, but this portion is not trimmed off, you can again go to this roof. So it's better to trim off extra more portions. So again you can go to select this roof, you can go to the vertical cutting, then go to the level 1, then this portion I will extend it. I will again extend this portion. Now I will extend. Now again click yes. Now let me see the 3D figure. See, now this portion has been deducted. So in this manner even you can trim off the extra portions of the roof. So in this manner even you can create roof by extrusion, and you can trim it off by using the vertical opening. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to create roof. So if you like the video, then please press the like button and share as much as possible. So thanks for watching my video.